Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Clever account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Clever account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in clever.com and down enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Clever. So over here now, in order to log into your account on Clever, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login as a student button available for us. But when we hover over there, we can see each kind of accounts available for you guys, but we will be proceeding to the student, but still there are other categories relating to your status on the Clever. And with that being said, guys, let's click on the student, and over here, guys, let's wait for it to load. Over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your school name, or you can just, guys, scan this QR code on your phone or from your badge, and you log into your account directly. But from over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your school name and search for it. And on the next step, you will be required to enter your username and your password of your account. And after that, you'll be logged into your Clever account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Clever account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.